Hi, I'm Jim Lee,
And I'm Janet Holt with Exit Realty.
and we'd like to welcome you today to our insurance moment with Blake Johnson with American Insurance Partners. The first time I was ever introduced to Blake, the gentleman introducing us said, and he is an insurance guru. I took one look at this young guy and thought, you got to be an old guy to be a guru, kid. But then he talked to me about insurance, and that's why we've asked him to be here today. Our question today is, does your credit score affect your insurance rates?
Absolutely, your credit score affects your rates. It's one of the most important parts of your rates and your pricing. One of the most popular phone calls that I get from current clients is they will call me up and they will say, Blake, I've got a neighbor of mine who has the exact same insurance as I do. We've got the same type of house, we're right next door, and yet they're paying less than I am. Why are my rates more expensive? Well, we all know that home insurance is determined by demographics, the location of the home, the age the home was built, the year the roof was put on, where it's located. But we don't understand how the insurance company uses that information in order to determine our rates. And what they do is each insurance company comes in and they take the demographics from all these different areas and they put it together to create what they call an insurance grade. And they grade every single prospect on this insurance grade. The better the grade is, the better the rates are and the cheaper that your insurance is going to be. The worse it is, the more expensive it's going to be. So if you have a worse credit score, a better credit score, that's going to go in and that affects about 60% of your insurance grade. So it's a huge amount when it comes to how much it's affecting your rates. So when I do get those types of phone calls, my first response is, what's your credit score like? Because if your credit score is less than theirs, that's going to drastically affect the rates.
We'd like to thank our special guest today, Blake Johnson with American Insurance Partners.
And if you have any questions for Blake, please put them in the comment section. And we'd love your feedback as well. I'm Jim Lee.
And I'm Janet Holt with Exit Realty. Please make sure to check us out next week.